We've just put his girdle on. Now we're just getting Hippo's girdle on now. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, there's another stuff, is there?
Yeah.
Breathe in. I'm gonna put. Oh my goodness, this is too tight. Oh, got it. Fucking ridiculous, isn't it? How does one get these amazing shots? Oh no! Oh no! Filming with a hippo is a nightmare. I've never known someone to get so long to get ready. Got to do makeup for on camera as well. Oh dear, oh dear. I got one battery for this GoPro. It's a big battery, it lasts all day. Hopefully. But I'll faff around with the drone up there. So. Big bit of kit.
It is. I'm working on a bike now.
This is what it takes to get a shot. This is is that National Trust? Is that National Trust? There's an emblem on the bonnet. I can't see it from here. Well, we might get they might have a word with us in a minute.
Why?
I don't know. I've got a feeling. Careful. I've got a feeling that that's enough. I've got a feeling that's a National Trust. It was the National Trust, but they didn't have a word with us. That's all right.
Do you want to follow me up?
Yeah, because I don't want you going into the back of me.
And also then you can pick me up when I stab myself in the face.
Yeah. This is what dedication is. To get a shot. 1, 2, 3 cameras, 3 GoPros, plus a 360 gib. Are your cameras on? Are your other cameras on?
Yeah, the other ones are on.
Right then, you go first because there's no way I'm going behind this. This is terrifying. Look at the size of his stick.
That Insta360 whatever is crazy stupid to set up, like ridiculously hard, like lots of faffing about, but you do get an incredible shot. I mean, this looks like, I don't know, Hippo drones is a character in a video game and this is the third person view. It's really bizarre to see it like this, to see how I saw it in real life, to see how it comes out at the end, the finished result. It's amazing. But if you want to see more of this footage, I guess go check his channel. I'll put a link down below so you can finish watching the rest of this video, then you can go to his video whenever he's uploaded it, whatever. But yeah, this is just a taster, so a lot of faffing about just to get this shot, but yeah, I think it was worth it. That is a pretty unique shot. Almost makes me want to get one, but not quite.
So I paid £400 and I got so much stuff with it. I got a proper, you know, one of the nice bags, the nice backpacks, the big ones with all the sections like SLR people used to, carry.
Yeah.
He gave me one of them, which is about 100 quid alone, like new they are.
That's good. I mean, it sounds like you've got an awesome setup.
So this is all I've got with me today is this. So. Come on. Got it. It's about 10-minute flight time maybe.
That's right.
If that. Right, let's put the brightness to max. Airplane mode on. Alright, so I'll get it up. Put it on track mode and see. Go fly. Here we go.
It's going to be bugger off while he's doing it. So, yes. I'm not going to show any of this footage because he's got his bit. But in the meantime, check out his channel because at some point he'll be posting this. Awesome. Yeah, if it's just a green one, you're right.
Hang on. Okay, so it's tracking my bike.
Okay.
You can have a look at this if you want.
Yeah, it's been on
Is
the
it
bike.
is it following me?
It's on your bike at the moment.
Oh, that's all right then. But I found that when it turns around, it don't recognise the bike anymore.
Right.
So we'll see what happens.
Oh, because the other side looks different.
Yeah. Still got me? Ooh. Still got me, yeah? It's keeping me, or is it loose?
It's keeping you, but when you go underneath it, it's not pan.
Oh, okay.
It's on you still.
It's on me still? Okay, let's see what happens if I follow in here. So,
He had that in a tree.
huh?
Because it was up here.
Yeah.
He went round that corner there, it went straight through those trees there.
So you stopped it, yeah?
Push back.
You stopped it, yeah?
Yeah, I caught it before I hit anything.
That's alright. Okay, it's plugged in.
Your phone coping okay with it?
Yeah.
Because you were worried about that, weren't you?
No, because my phone's not the highest performance phone in the world. So I thought it would struggle, but
What phone is it you got?
cheap one.
Okay.
But it seems to run it. Am I recording?
Yep.
Okay.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't walk in front of the bike. Might lose it.
No, you can...
Okay. If you think it's going to go wrong, just hit pause.
Which one's the pause button on this?
Little red button, it says pause.
Okay.
Yeah. Follow me? Yeah? Good.
Down there and see.
Oh, I've crashed. No, not crashed.
Keep it still and I'll direct you.
Let's go down and have a look. Where is it? Oh, it's crashed. It's down. It's down. It's down. So, did it track me to...
It lost you,
Yeah.
and then I tried to pan down as you were coming back,
Oh, okay.
and then when I turned round it hit the tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because so when it was following you, it should be right. And when it was following you, it was out wide to start with, but because you were going along, and then turned it sort of came in behind you.
Alright.
That's why you kind of have to go out further with it.
Okay. Well, you go down this bit and I'll try to chase you with it. I'm going to chase you behind. I think I can keep it low and steady. See what happens. It seems alright. Let's just we'll just take it up and see what happens. Yeah, it looks all good. Oh. It's not too bad, is it?
It's awesome. It's a really good little bit of kit.
Okay, right, let's try a three. I'm going to do a 360 shot at the calf, yeah? Come to me, my pretty. Come on.
If you weren't going to take it, I got it.
Whoa.
You know, I didn't think that you would have to clench one's buttocks together to get a shot like that, but obviously you do. Anyway, that's the end of us experimenting with the cameras. Yeah, so the batteries on this stuff runs out really quick, so that's about all I got. Anyway, that's it really. Hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed making it, maybe? Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Go check out Hippo's video when eventually he posts it. Maybe it will be on screen now. Maybe. Who knows? Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.
Oh, I'm laughing so hard. That'll be me in a sec.